Do you have dirty sneakers or flip-flops? So this simple mixture can solve your problem pretty easily, folks. It's really amazing. So check this out, guys. If you have white sneakers or flip-flops, you probably know what I'm talking about. Look, from the very first time we use it, it can get dirty pretty easily. And not just that, but it gets creamy, which makes this yellowish color very difficult to remove. So I'm gonna give you a very easy yet efficient mixture, okay? That is gonna make your old sneakers look as new, removing all dirt very easily. So for that, we're gonna need a bowl, okay? And the first ingredient we're gonna use, of course, is toothpaste, alright? But guys, you gotta pick a toothpaste like this one, totally white, okay? It cannot be the blue or green ones, otherwise it might stain your sneakers. So go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, alright? Let's put it here. And now let's also use baking soda, folks. If you don't have it, you can use baking powder instead. Those chemical yeast for cake, which is also gonna give you pretty much the same result. And here we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. So put it here. And finally, we're gonna add dishwasher detergent. And just like the toothpaste, it cannot be colored ones, so don't use any other color. So just use a neutral one, which is transparent, or this coconut one, which is white, okay? And the amount we're gonna use is also 1 tablespoon of detergent. Let's put it here. And now let's mix everything very well to combine all the ingredients. Okay, we've mixed it very well, and it has to be something like this. See the texture here? And now, this is what we're gonna do. Grab your dirty sneakers, take off the laces first. Keep in mind that it also works with flip-flops. It's the same thing, alright? So guys, I already removed the laces to wash it separately. Now, you're gonna need a toothbrush. Or if you prefer, those smaller clothes brushes are also great. So let's get some of our mixture. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply it only on a specific area of the shoe, so you can really see how good this mixture is. Now just go ahead and scrub it like this. So check this out, guys, I scrub it just a little bit. And hey guys, I didn't even wash it yet. Let me just remove the excess with a piece of paper towel, just to show you guys the difference. And honestly, check this out. Here's where I applied the mixture, and here it's still dirty. Look at the difference, that's crazy. It is really very powerful. See, it looks new. Looks like it just came out of the store. Very cool, isn't it? Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply it all over the shoe to show you the final result. And here it is, folks. I've scrubbed it very well, I've finished already. Let me just clean it real quick to show you. Check this out, guys. I give it a rinse and now you can tell the difference. Check this out. Tell me if it's not amazing. It's really cool. You can do it on sneakers, you can do it on white shoes as well, and it also works just great for fabric sneakers. So that's it. Give it a try, folks. You'll definitely love the result.